Hi, my name is Elizabeth Maison, and today, I'll tell you everything you need to know about Medicinal Garden Kit before actually buying the kit. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Medicinal Garden Kit is, be careful with the website you're going to buy, because Medicinal Garden Kit is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Medicinal Garden Kit, and does it actually work? And the answer is yes, Medicinal Garden Kit works. The purpose of the Medicinal Garden Kit is to give people the tools they need to start a medicinal garden in the convenience of their own backyards. Nicole Apelian, the kit's creator, is absolutely convinced that doing so will enable everyone to take control of their health, just as she did to manage her multiple sclerosis, MS. This kit, in our opinion, is as complete as it gets, given that the experts selected all of the seeds for 10 herbs, which are accompanied by a free medicinal guide. Growing plants is one thing, but Nicole Apelian believes that making sure they are used properly and safely should be greatly prioritized. In light of everything, let's disassemble the kit to discover how a common background can be transformed into an all-natural pharmacy. The Medicinal Garden Kit and the accompanying free handbook assist customers in improving their health without requiring them to stock their medicine cabinets with various medications and supplements. Users are taught how to cultivate their garden, complete with a natural selection of medicinal plants that will continue to benefit them for as long as they continue to tend to it. It can help with everything from relieving pain to improving sleep quality. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Medicinal Garden Kit, and you can have results as well. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Medicinal Garden Kit for 365 full days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give your money back. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Medicinal Garden Kit ROM, and also, if you do buy the product, enjoy all the wealth of information, take it seriously. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Medicinal Garden Kit helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this kit promotes.